Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small little haul from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. I was out of town when they were having a sale, and I stopped past the Dollar Tree, and they had various jewelry stuff. These were only two that I got. This was the red and blue flowers at the Dollar Tree. I can't remember if I showed this in my other video, but they had, I think I did. Yeah. There was one other thing. Oh, I meant to show this. My friend Susan Q, she's up here. She gave me this at our last crop in September from K & Company, and this came from the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to show it just in case you hadn't seen it, that they had this, you know, sticker sets. Look at that. And I have K & Company paper. All for $1. Isn't that a nice bag? Wow. 742 pieces. So it's one. So it's the numbers in the alphabets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pack. Thank you, Susan. Good friends look out for you like that. And then I did go to the Hobby Lobby up there. They didn't have a big sale, but they did have some on sale. And I just got a couple things. I haven't even been in my Hobby Lobby. By the time this views, the sale will be over with. But I did pick this up again, which I think I already own, because I'm almost sure I got it. But it's only one. I think I'm almost like 92% I do have this, but I picked it up just in case. It says but come first for coffee and tea, and it was $3.74. And this Spellbinders S3 $3.45. But first coffee is a 6-piece, and it'll be a gift to somebody if I already have it. And then I did pick this one up that says love, and the same thing with this one. This may already be a repeat, and it was $3.24. And again, it's just that nice little big heart that says love. I know I have one that says hello, but I couldn't remember if it was a hello or a love. And this was $2.49, and it's the same thing with the kite. And it says, sending you sunshine, fly with me, and it was $2.49. So you have 7 dies and 3 stamps. So if any of these are repeats, which they may be, I will gift them. This is $3.24, and this is Jen Long as well. Oh, the number on this one, this is a 663196. And that one more mental doesn't have a number. This is 663514. 6 dies, 6 stamps, and it's so cute. It says, so happy you roll with me. I thought that's so cute. And then these, the Lenny Locker. This is S4 974 for $4.99. These little lanterns. These, I have lanterns, but these are just bigger, larger, and this one is totally different than the ones that I have. I know I have one like that, but it's smaller. And I may have picked these up before, like I said, and if so, they'll be goodies, so they'll go back. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless, bye-bye.